Welcome back once again into this new edition of question answer series. Hope you are all fine in this COVID-19 situation. As we have to prepare for the upcoming night exam, so our process of learning must continue. And to continue this process, we must have to prepare some of the question and answer, and it will enrich ourselves. So here I have enlisted few of questions which I think that will be very much beneficial to all NET aspirant. So without much more time, let's continue this series. The first question is, discuss method can be used when the topic is very difficult, option B the topic is easy, option C the topic is difficult, option D all of the above. So here we have to tell when we should use discuss method. So the right answer of this question is option C. The topic is difficult. So this is the right answer of this question. Now move to the question number 2. Which of the following is a teaching aid? Option number 1, working model of windmill, option number B, tape recorder, option number C, 16 mm film project, and option number D, all of the above. So the question is, which one is the teaching aid? And the answer of this question is option number D, all of the above. All of the above is the right answer of this question. Because we all know that teaching aid are those materials which help us to learn, which helps the learners to learn quite easily. So the working models of windmill can help a learner to understand how a windmill works, and tape recorder also a teaching aid which helps the learner to learn easily, and 16 mm film project, we often know that pictures cube presentation are often attractive and they attract the attention of the learners. So whenever a theme, whenever a issue or a story is told by means of film, then it attracts the attention of the learners and it remains for a long time into the memory of a learner. So all the options are correct. So the correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Now question number 3. The main of teaching is, actually here the main objective of teaching is option number 1, to develop only reasoning, option number B, to develop only thinking, option number C, both A and B, and option number D, to give information. So the main object of teaching is, and the correct answer of this question is option number C, that is both A and B. That means the main object of teaching is to develop only reasoning and to develop only thinking. So these two options are correct. So we have to choose option number C, that is both A and B. Now comes here question number 4. The question is, the quality of teaching is reflected whenever a teaching is going on in a classroom situation. So how much it is fruitful, how much it is effective is reflected by means of, and the options are by the attendance of students in the class, by the pass percentage of students, option number C, the quality of question asked by students, and option number D, by the duration of silence maintained in the class. So we have to find out only one option, and the right answer of this question is option number C, that is by the quality of question asked by students. Because a teacher, if teaches in a school or in a classroom situation quite effectively, then the learners will ask some questions to the teachers, and this will prove that, this will highlight that how much effective the teacher is in the domain of teaching. Now comes the question number 5, the annual examination system. And the option are promote role learning, option B does not promote good study habits, and option number C does not encourage students to be regular in class, option number D all of the above. So the annual exam system, we all know that annual exam system was prevalent in our education system. So what does annual exam do? We have to find out one option. The first option is promote role learning, option B does not promote good study habits, and option number C does not encourage students to be regular in class, and option number D all of the above. So the right answer of this question is all of the above. So we must have to remember that this is the answer of this question 5. I hope that you will learn much more, and in time I will also present here some of the questions and answer series. If possible, just subscribe, and it will notify you whenever I upload some of the materials in this question answer series. So thank you once again for viewing this video.